With Microsoft's Power Platform low-code tools, you can drive innovation, enhance productivity, and gain a competitive edge in today's fast-paced business environment. Let's explore how each tool can transform your business. Power BI empowers you with advanced data analytics and visualization through easily built and customizable dashboards and reports. Turn raw data into actionable insights, make data-driven decisions, and share interactive reports with your team. With Power Apps, you can develop custom applications tailored to your business needs, all without extensive coding. Improve efficiency and responsiveness by creating solutions that work the way you work. Automate repetitive tasks with Power Automate, freeing up valuable time for strategic initiatives. Seamlessly integrate workflows across your organization, boosting productivity and reducing manual effort. Enable all teams to create data-driven websites faster, at a lower cost with Power Pages, a secure, low-code tool to transform your business sites. Take each of these Power Platform tools to the next level by leveraging Microsoft's generative AI solution, Copilot, to automate tasks such as writing code, generating content, and providing contextual suggestions to enhance productivity and efficiency. Design intelligent, actionable, and connected AI assistants for employees and customers with Copilot Studio. Microsoft Power Platform has the tools to empower your business to achieve more. And Enavate has the expertise and approach to ensure that every aspect of your operations is optimized for success through Power Platform. Contact an Enavate Power Platform expert today.